Hi, I'm Melissa with Pixie Dust Adventures.
And I'm Easton from Easton's Edge.
And today we are going to give you a look around our room at the Westin in downtown Seattle before our cruise on the Norwegian Encore. It's Alaska cruise round trip from Seattle. That starts tomorrow. Stay tuned until the end if you want a little bit of information on how we got here, how we connected, how we made it to this hotel, and how we chose this hotel. But come on in and take a look around our room first. Right, we are at the Westin downtown Seattle on 5th Avenue. Our room is on the 24th floor, number 2456. We are going to give you a quick look around. This room is incredibly convenient for our Alaska cruise that leaves round trip out of Seattle tomorrow on the Norwegian Encore. So we just thought we'd show you this room.
Right, so first up over here we have the bathroom, of course, which is like a million switches. No, there's two switches, one for, I believe it's like the mirror, and yeah, and then one's for the big light back there. So you come on in, and yeah, we did wake up really early this morning as well, so we're really tired, but we have the cups, and they're wrapped in plastic, so they're, sanitized. And then you have the glasses, of course, and then you have your soap, and then you have body lotion, conditioner, shampoo, and a bunch of towels.
All the lotions and soaps have their live well theme and smell to them as well.
These are super soft towels as well.
All right, standard bathroom.
Yep. Standard bathroom.
Pretty regular.
And
toilet.
We have soap here, towel here. Of course, we have a shower.
Big shower head.
Big shower.
And bathtub and soap, towel, shower curtain.
More towels over here at the back.
Yeah, your towels, so you can reach them from right there to dry off.
Soft towels.
Pretty soft. It's nice and clean though in here. All right.
Okay.
Lead the way.
Yeah. So back out, we have this closet here, which we have a blanket, spare pillows, safe, and we have the iron and ironing board over here on the wall. And some drawer space.
Just empty drawers. Oh, and
hair dryer.
But the others are empty. Oh, and a few hangers, right? If you wanted to.
Yeah, if you want to move in
some clothes. We're only here one night prior to our cruise, so we're not going to move in. Oh, thermostat. So
yeah,
standard run-of-the-mill thermostat. Turn it up, turn it down, fan, mode, all that stuff.
Right, but now for the main attraction, come on out into the entire lobby. It's a pretty big stage from here with a very nice view. You have a floor to ceiling, or not floor to ceiling, but big with your.
I have to wave in every mirror. Oh.
It's our thing. Okay, so we have a desk over here, and standard desk for working, homework, all this special stuff.
It's
phone.
big. That desk isn't big. It's a nice size.
Yeah, it's a good business desk if you have, maybe you're coming here and you still have to work. It's very nice.
Ice bucket right here. Glasses. Bottle of water. Tap in, it says. And over here, trash can and recycle right there. Okay.
All right, so we'll get to the main attraction last year. So we have twin-size beds, queen-size beds.
They're doubles. So this standard rooms in this Westin come with either 2 double beds or 1 king and a sofa bed. And there's 4 of us, and we want our kids to be comfortable because we love them so much that we chose the 2 double beds instead of the king and the sofa bed.
So we have 2 double beds in this room, and standard double beds. And then we have a end stand in the middle here with some essential oil kind of lavender thingies. I don't need those to fall asleep because I'm so tired.
We are tired. But yeah, this goes back to the Westin and Marriott brands Live Well kind of campaign. It says sleep well, and there's some essential oils here. It tells you can rub it on your temples or palms, and it smells good to soothe your senses.
And we have a lamp, of course, and then some charging ports.
Here's your charging ports for your USB and an outlet. Alarm clock. The lamp too, I noticed, has off in the middle. It has low, like a night light, off in the middle, and high. And this identical lamp, I don't need to show you the details, but it's also over there on the desk as well.
Yeah,
it's the same way.
And then we have a little pull-out thing here that you can use as a tray to hold water, maybe. I don't know.
Oh yeah.
Okay. I'm not sure, but you have
That's handy dandy. What's next?
Then another twin side or double bed here, and then you have your big flat screen TV, which I'm not sure if you want the TV.
Are you gonna choose the TV view?
Or
or the city view?
Yeah, I'm not sure which one's more like.
I want to hear though. Wait, I want to hear from people in the comments. Are you in this room? Would you be Team TV or Team City View? I want to hear in the comments. Okay.
Team window. I think I'm more of a TV guy.
You're Team TV. Okay.
I can look out the window.
Okay. Well, let's keep going.
So let's move on here, and we have our little mini fridge here, of course. Get her open, but it's empty.
I want to tell you something about this mini fridge. It's not really a mini fridge, and I don't even know that even though it's empty, I'm not sure we're supposed to use it. Because it's more of a bar, and it says satisfy any craving with our signature selection of snacks and beverages. For any items removed, the appropriate charges will be automatically posted to your room account, right? We're all used to that. We know how it works. But then it says storing personal items in the refreshment center may cause extra charges to be added to your account. If you require a refrigerator, please dial 0 and 1 can be delivered for you. Because it says that this works by weight somehow. These are like all little scales that it's strange that things sit on. So if you take something out, you're charged for it, which there wasn't anything in here when we got in the room. Yeah, so I don't know. Oh, Bible in this drawer. Okay.
But we have a slide out here, coffee maker, which I might actually get into that. That looks yummy. Starbucks coffee,
Pike
guys.
Place Roast. Do you know what the namesake Pike Place means?
No.
Because this hotel is next to the famous Pike Place Fish Market, which we are going to walk to later and check out. So, Starbucks Pike Place Roast.
Yeah, so you have that, and then you have your actual maker doodad, which we won't make anything right now.
Moving on, because we don't want an hour-long room tour of just a regular room.
So then you have these two chairs here. Very comfy chairs. I could take a nap here, but that's just because I'm so tired. So we have two chairs here sitting by this beautiful city view, which I've been to Miami, and I prefer Seattle, or at least this part of Seattle, because I can see these little rooftops that have little gardens almost on them. And it reminds me of the movies.
Here, let's zoom in on one if I can for you guys.
It reminds me of New York or something a little bit.
That's kind of nifty, those little rooftop gardens. I'm not sure what buildings those are because we haven't been out of the room yet to walk around and explore, but we're going to get to that. So we have those two little chairs here, and then in the middle here, we have this neat little fold-out table, which we're not going to fold it all the way because you'd have to move the chairs. But if the chairs were moved over to the side, this would become like a big table. Maybe, I don't know, playing chess, games of some kind. I don't know. Eating a meal.
Or just eating, yeah. So, I think that actually is going to do it for the tour of our Westin
That
room.
pretty much covers the tour. Thank you very much for watching. If you like our videos, don't forget to
like,
subscribe,
and leave a comment down below.
I want to hear if you are Team TV View or Team City View in the comments below, and also if you have any questions. Now, I promised you a little bit of information on why we chose this hotel. I was looking for a hotel pre-cruise. Again, as I said, on the Norwegian Encore, we sail round trip out of Seattle for Alaska cruise tomorrow. It is cool here. We flew on Alaskan Airlines direct, and it was 5.5 hours from Orlando because we live in Florida, so it was a long flight, and it's cool here to us, the temperatures are. But I was looking for a hotel that I knew would be nice, and Marriott's are nice, they're a great brand, and I wanted something close enough we could walk to and easy enough to get to. But you could take a Lyft or an Uber from the Seattle airport to downtown Seattle. It's about over 30 minutes, and it'll probably cost you well over $50. Or you can take the Link station, and you can jump on the Link station and buy some relatively inexpensive tickets and take the Link train to just a couple of blocks from this hotel. And it's a really easy walk from the Link station to the Westin hotel. And it was very inexpensive. It was a great way to do this, right?
I also believe that it's a good way to experience Seattle, because on the way here, you stop in Columbia Town, Chinatown, all the different parks, and you see the different people getting on the train. It's very different, but one thing I have to mention is that when we stopped in Chinatown and those doors opened, I smelled like the smell of Chinese food.
Yeah.
It was amazing.
It is. I mean, it's a cultural experience on its own, but I'm going to be completely honest with you. You do see all kinds of people. There were some sketchy people, some shady people. Okay, I never felt in danger. It was very busy. It was during the day. This wasn't at night, and we were a family of 4, and there was a lot of people. There were people dragging bikes on, luggage on, everything else. But there were some kind of shady characters on there too. Yeah. Maybe someone passed out or two, but anyway, it was still a good experience. It's something that you always experience as you travel through things. But I will tell you, if you want complimentary concierge planning assistance from someone who has been there and done that, look me up. My name is Melissa. You'll find me at pixiedustadventures.com, and I am a travel advisor. I would love to help you plan your next Alaska cruise round trip out of Seattle and find your way to this beautiful Westin hotel. We hope you enjoy our videos. Thank you for watching.
Bye.
Bye.